Hey everybody, welcome to Grandma's Corner, where making videos is so much fun. Why am I hunched over like this? Well, because I need you to watch this space over here instead of me, because we are going to learn how to make, get ready, whoop whoop, a solar oven. All right, what do you need? You need foil. You need some sort of plastic wrap. You need tape. You need scissors. You need black construction paper. And you need box cutters and absolutely an adult to help you. And not the last, but the most important thing is a box that has a hinge on it. So this box right here is connected to itself, and that's on a hinge. That's the kind of box you want. So a pizza box will work, a shoe box will work. My doTERRA box that I got in the mail when I ordered some things, this is going to work. All right, then you have to decide what is it that you want to put in your solar oven. Well, today I have a piece of bread and a slice of American cheese. But you are welcome to put in a tortilla, and you can put in some shredded cheese. Or if you want to go big, you can put in a graham cracker and put 1 or 2 marshmallows on that graham cracker, let it get nice and warm, and then put a chunk of chocolate on it, and you've made a s'more. So here we go, let's get started. So we are going to take this box, and very carefully with the box cutter, you're going to cut a lid inside of the lid. But you don't want to cut the hinge part of it, because when you cut these 3 sides, you want it to pop up, baby. And you want to make a new lid. Look at that, a lid within a lid. You're going to now take this lid and you're going to cover it with foil. Now the nice thing about foil is it's very malleable. Now what does malleable mean? Well, that means you can squish it together and you can get it to shape any way you want it, and it works really nicely. Look at that, lickety split. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your clear wrap, plastic wrap, and you're going to put a piece over this hole. Remember you made a lid within a lid? Look at that. You now have covered that with saran wrap or a plastic wrap of some kind. This is where your tape is going to come in, because you're going to want to tape this down really super well. You don't want any heat escaping. Now, I'm not going to take the time to tape it super well, so I want you to just remember that part of the direction. Now, the second thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the original lid, and you're going to put another piece of plastic. This time, it's going to go on the inside. And these 2 pieces of plastics will come together and make a nice seal. Again, you want to make sure that you tape down the plastic everywhere so no heat escapes. The more heat that you can keep inside of your solar oven, the faster your food is going to cook. Now, on the inside of your box, you see I already have foil because I didn't want it to be too noisy. Well, I went ahead and cut a piece of foil, and I'm going to line the inside of my box now with foil. And I'm also going to put foil on this side, and I'm going to put foil on this side. And then I'm going to take the perfectly cut piece of black construction paper, and I'm going to lay that on the inside. Now you're asking me, why black? Well, that's a really good question, because black absorbs sunlight. And you want as much of that heat to come from the sun to warm up whatever you put on the inside. All right, let's show you now the solar oven that I had sitting outside. Can you see what I have cooking in there? It's a piece of bread and cheese. I'm gonna open this up, and I actually had a little skewer that I propped this open because sometimes these things tend to flop a little bit. You can use a ruler, a pencil, whatever you want. All right, let's take out what we made outside. Oh, it's nice and toasty, warm. And there you go. You now have an afternoon snack. I put it in at 1 o'clock and I took it out. Oh, look at that flying piece there. Didn't even see it traveling. 1 o'clock, and I took it out about 1:20. And the sun is shining outside and it's 88 degrees. And it took about 20 minutes to make this thing warm and to get some of this cheese nice and soft. You may need to put it in there longer if it's not as hot, or if you really like it ooey gooey, keep it in there longer, as long as you have patience and you can wait for your food. That's our lesson today on how to make a solar oven. So get cracking, make yourself an oven, have your parent or an older brother or sister help you, and you can then heat up any kind of food that happens to be sitting around that might need a microwave. Piece of pizza, or if you like a warm peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you be creative. I hope you enjoyed this session. I sure did. And guess what I'm going to have for a snack today? You got it, a cheese sandwich. Have a good day.